In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mind map on Visme. Whether you're brainstorming, planning a project, or organizing your ideas, a mind map can be a powerful tool to visualize and structure information. So, let's dive right in and get started with creating your very own mind map using Visme. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the mind map maker. If you already have Visme open, you can go directly to the Mind Map Maker page. Alternatively, if you start from your dashboard, simply click on Create and then New Project. You also have the option to open an existing project if that's what you'd prefer. Now, let's move into the Diagram and Flowchart tool. Once you're inside the Visme editor, direct your attention to the left sidebar and click on the Data tab. Within this section, you'll be looking for a cluster that resembles a flowchart type icon or diagram shapes. This will be your gateway to crafting detailed and structured mind maps. Next, you'll select the perfect shape for your central idea, essentially the main bubble that will serve as the core of your mind map. Visme provides a variety of shapes and lines that serve to connect and expand your ideas. Use the built-in connectors and lines to begin drawing branches off this central shape. This will help you extend your initial thought into related ideas or concepts, creating a network of connected thoughts. As you continue to flesh out your mind map, you can add more nodes or bubbles. Simply click on an existing shape, referred to as a node, and utilize Visme's expansion tools to attach additional shapes. Gradually, you'll see your map taking form as you add related ideas, subtopics, and link them appropriately, making the connections as detailed as possible. Once your framework is in place, it's time to insert text into your shapes. Click on each shape to add or edit text, which can include ideas, keywords, or concepts. This step personalizes your map and embeds your specific knowledge and thoughts into the visual. You can also format the text to suit your preferences, adjusting font type, size, and color to match the design you're going for. Now, let's get creative with your mind map's appearance. Customize the design and style by changing the background color, the color of the shapes, and the styles of connecting lines to ensure your mind map is not just informative, but visually appealing. To make it even more captivating, consider using icons from Visme's extensive graphics library to enhance your nodes. And, if you really want to impress, you have the option to animate certain nodes or branches, giving your map a dynamic touch. By following these steps, you'll be able to craft a clear, effective, and visually stunning mind map. I'm sure the process of creating one in Visme will both aid your productivity and enhance your ability to plan and organize complex information. Good luck, and enjoy the journey of creating your mind map masterpiece.